Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Now, this video is about the difference between personified teaching systems and universal teaching systems. So Buddhism is a universal teaching system because its practices allow any other metaphysical system to get better. For instance, if you do a 10-day Vipassana retreat, your mindfulness increases, your concentration increases, your posture improves, your flexibility improves. It crosses over into every other system and makes it better. Where let's say if you do most Taoist systems, they're personified systems where the teacher say, don't mix the teachings. So any system that says that, you can pretty much leave it alone and move on because it's only functional within itself. It only develops a sense of self, and the system is very, very limited in its application. Where a universal teaching system like Hermetics, like Buddhism, and several others, they're running on universal principles, so effectively they improve every area of your life. If you increase mindfulness through a 10-day Vipassana retreat, for instance, every area of your life improves. But if the nature of the concentration is too precise, every area of your life, it doesn't improve. So for instance, a kid who's good at sport and has a high degree of concentration in sport doesn't necessarily translate into a high degree of concentration in academic studies and concentration in the classroom because it's not universal, it's too specific, the nature of the concentration. But if the nature of the concentration is universal, then it crosses over between different aspects of your life much more easily. So when selecting a system of meditation to practice, look at its universal nature and see how it trains the mind and crosses over into different teaching systems. This is very, very important in your long-term development. All right, we'll leave it there. Thanks for your time and see you on the next video.